Hi everyone, it's Shonna, your marriage counselor, and thank you for tuning in today. I want to talk about physical appearance today. So, usually when we talk about physical appearance in a marriage, mainly the husbands have something to say about their wives' dress attire, or the boyfriends have something to say about their girlfriends, or whatever. The partner, the male, has something to say all the time about the female's appearance. And that's true. Men, we understand that you are a physical and a visual being. When you see a lady who's dressed up, dressed to the T, her nice heels on, her nice skirts or pants, whatever, we know that you're very attracted to this. I know that the outside appearance does something for you guys physically. It does something to you. But the same is true for us when we see you all. We want our husbands, our boyfriends, or whatever to dress a certain way. We want you guys to look a certain way. And we too can fall out of attraction for you when you're not taking care of yourself. For example, I understand that some men like to be rugged. They may not shave their face or whatever. But when it gets out of control and is not shaped up, meaning like it's not lined up nicely where you can look at somebody, you can see the sideburns and a haircut is lined up perfectly. If it's not done that way and it's all raggedy and it looks like you are overdue at the barbershop, trust and believe this is not appealing to us. This is not sexy. Trust and believe it. Or when you're wearing the same beat up shoes over and over again, and I'm like, come on, it's time to get a new pair of shoes. Trust and believe that's not attractive to us. So just like you have certain expectations for us, your wives, your girlfriends, your wifeys, whatever your title is, you have expectations for us. Well, we also have expectations for you. And I think I speak for most women. And there should not be any barriers, both men and women, that will stop you from dressing up. Women, so what? You gain some weight. That's going to happen. Now start buying the clothing that's appropriate for your size and be sexy about it. They make sexy plus size clothing. And men, maybe you gain some weight. And again, make sure your clothes are still up to par. Do not start wearing sweatpants because you can't fit your pants anymore. It goes on both ends. So no one is better than the next person. And it doesn't mean that because your husband or your wife, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your partner is not dressing how you would like them to dress and you're no longer attracted to them. It doesn't give you permission to start treating them poorly. It doesn't give you permission to go out there and find a jump off or a side piece or whatever these things that happens in relationship. It doesn't give you permission to do that. Basically, you communicate your needs effectively. You communicate it to your wife. Wives communicate it to your husband. Be gentle in their approach. Compliment them. Let them know that you feel sexy when they're sexy. Buy them things. It doesn't matter. You work at your marriage. You don't take a get out of jail free card and run the street with somebody else, creating more havoc, more pain, and more stress in your marriage. So, to wrap it all up, just like you fellas, like your wives to look a certain way and is to dress sexy and be appealing, we expect the same things from our husbands, for you guys to be sexy as well. Until next time, have a great night and I'll speak to you again.